Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is Sam from DA247. So this is the video in which I'll tell you how to create your own Facebook ads account. So let's start with it. Okay, so before going into the Facebook ads platform, so you might have gone to our website. This is a website, right? So do not forget to subscribe to our website. So once you subscribe it here, you will be enrolled to a free digital marketing e-learning modules and e-learning platform and e-learning certifications, and also all these documents will be coming free to you on your email address. Okay, so these are different courses that we offer. So just to take you through before we go into the ads account creation, so we offer all the fundamental of digital marketing courses, social media courses in social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads courses for beginners, for advanced levels, SEO, affiliate marketing, blogging, and many others. So a complete platform, a whole desk of platform, a whole, you can say, concierge of digital marketing module. So it's what we do. We also provide consultations and also certifications of Google Ad and Analytics. So a one spot location for you to learn and grow. Okay, so let's come back to our main topic, that's creation of Facebook ad account. So this is the step which is very important to you. So this will be the step in which you will learn how to create your own Facebook ads account. So I log into Facebook. So as I'm logged in, I'll be totally going into my own profile here. So you want to click this button over, drop down over here. If you click this here, you will come to across through multiple connection of pages, business manager, and accounts. You have to click here, manage ads, right? And you will come to this section. So as I have a business manager, right? If you don't have a business manager, that's fine. You can create your own ad. Even if your ad section, your ad account will come here like this. For example, in this business manager, I have two ads here by these names, 24/7 and digital ads SD count 24/7, and this is my page. So an account has to be connected to a page. Always remember, an ad account has to be connected to a page, because without a page you cannot advertise on Facebook. So you have to have a page, because if you do not have a page, you can advertise it. So this is my page here. You can also go from here to your page, or you can even click from here and go to your settings and go to your page. Okay, so once I've done that, I can come here. This is my settings. This is my current account, which is being already run. This is currently its pause state. So this is the final structure once your ad account is totally built up. So now I'm taking you to the place where ad account can be built. So you can come here in the ad account section. In the business manager, you can click here +1 add. You can have to just click here, click create new ad account. Do not look into these two sections, because these are only for agency and ownership purposes. You need to create a new ad account. You can put any name. For example, I put ads 24/7. Now guys, this is a very important step. You have to put your timing and currency level as per setting, because once this is marked, you cannot change it. Okay, so you cannot change it once the account is live. Okay, so I'm just placing it India and Calcutta Asia time, that's GMT 5:30 for India. I click next. So as this is my business, so a new account will be created in my business or client. It will ask for that. So if it's my business, I'll just click this and I'll just put create. So once I put create, a new ad account will be created and it will come right here. So once your account is created, you can add people here on the right hand section. For example, this is me, so I'm already in the BM. I can assign him any role, admin or manage campaigns, view campaigns. So if I've given him an admin access, so Sam would be able to do anything to the account. He can make finance changes, he can do ad level changes, he can do campaign level setting changes, he can do any sort of changes, right? He can even remove anyone from the ad manager. If I do only view performance changes, so in the view access, I can only see and access the reports. I cannot do anything else. I cannot make any changes to the account. So this is very safe thing if you want to give access to any of your clients or any of your person who needs to access the accounts only for reporting purposes. So this is the major access, the standard access, in which Sam has standard access. He's not the admin, but he can make the campaigns, make the reports, view ads. He can do everything, but he cannot make changes to the account settings like an admin can do. He cannot remove anyone. He cannot remove the pixel. He cannot delete the business manager, and that's it. So for your purpose, you can become an admin or a manager, and you can assign it. So here I have assigned myself an admin, right? So once you have done this, you can also connect some assets here, right? This is line of business. In line of business, we can connect another business to our own business manager account, in which you can access their pages and add accounts. So this is not of our use until unless you are handling some agency or some of your clients, right? You can also assign partner. For example, as I explained, any business ID or any business company or any agency, you can add here the ID, any ID that you of that business manager, and you can give them same admin, read only, or manage campaign accounts settings. Okay, so once this is done, you can also check your page is integrated. For example, this is my page. I have assigned to this person here, right? You can also add more people here, right? Similarly, different types of levels of permissions are here as well. Manage campaigns, it's admin. This is a performance campaign, view campaign. All these are different types of accesses are there. So it depends upon the requirement, whether you want your own standard access or you want to limit someone access with some view campaign performance. So this is how you set up your ad campaign. And once I'm into the ad campaign, I can open in my ad manager, and I'm right into my ad campaign bar. So here are we here. So this is already running campaign with some few budgets. So this is your ad account dashboard. This is how it looks. So this is how you create your ad account from the scratch. So hope you learned something from this video. आपको समझ आया होगा, and you try making your ad account at your end. Let me know for any queries or any confusions on my Facebook page or on my website. I'll get back to that. Till then, see you and watch my next video. My next video will be how to know about each of the tabs in Facebook marketing ad account. Okay, till then, subscribe and stay safe.